Today I'm going to show you how to make a foundation single crochet. The abbreviation is FSC. I've made chains and single crocheted back again. If you do the same on the other side, it would look uneven and stop here. Let me show you the difference. In this piece I've made chains in both sides. This is what it looks like with foundation single crochets on one of the sides. Now I'll show you how to do it. Here I made chains and single crocheted back. Now let's make some foundation single crochets on this side. Start by inserting your hook into the same stitch you made the last single crochet in. Yarn over and pull yarn through. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through one of the loops. Yarn over and pull the yarn through both loops. This was the first foundation single crochet. For the next one, we'll turn the piece and look on the back side. Here you'll see it looks like a stitch. We're using these 2 loops for the next foundation single crochet stitch. Insert your hook through both loops. That's the first and the back loop. Yarn over and pull yarn through the stitch. Yarn over and pull yarn through one loop. Yarn over and pull yarn through both loops. We've now made the second foundation single crochet stitch. And let's make the third. Find the stitch on the back side closest to your hook. Insert your hook into the stitch in both the front and the back loop. Yarn over and pull yarn through the stitch. Yarn over and pull yarn through one of the loops. Yarn over and pull yarn through both loops. And that was the third foundation single crochet stitch. Let me just speed it up for the fourth one. And that's the foundation single crochet stitch. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials on free amigurumi patterns.